welcome back. Today, in keeping with our conversation from our last group call, we're going to focus in on the element of love, of self-love. And of course, that's connected to our fourth chakra, our heart chakra. We are going to open up the energy to move through our heart. And we're also going to start to move energy from those lower chakras up into the heart. So we're going to do a lot of this practice in a standing position. So grab a mat or a comfortable space on the floor and bring your hands into prayer position at the center of your chest. Closing your eyes, remembering that this is an inward practice, an inward journey for you to experience. Using your nose to take a breath, take a deep breath in. Fill your whole body. Hold it at the top. And exhale. One more time. In through your nose. Hold it at the top. And exhale the breath. We're going to stay in this standing position with our hands in prayer pose, and we are going to start a breath of fire. We want to ignite that energy in our lower chakras. So remember the breath of fire. As we breathe in, our belly pumps out. As we breathe out, our belly pulls in right back to the spine, and it's as quick of a breath as you can manage. There's no rule here, so you go at your comfort level, pushing yourself just a little bit beyond, because that's where the growth occurs. All right, deep breath in before we begin. Exhale, breath of fire. Keep going, keep that pumping action in and out, breath of fire. Finish with one long deep breath in. Hold it and exhale. Bringing your fist to your sides with your palms facing inwards. Without twisting your arms, we're going to quickly punch our arms out. As we punch out, we exhale. So we start with an inhale, and we're going to start with our left side. Inhale through your nose. Remember to close your eyes. Exhale the breath out. Punch it out. Punch it out. Breathe it out. Sweat it out and punch it out. Build that fire inside. Punch with everything you got. Allow that breath to ignite inside of you. Tightening in on your belly in those lower chakras, pulling that energy as you punch. One last breath in with your arms out. And exhale. Bringing your hands or your arms up with your elbows bent. Shoulders parallel with your elbows. And we're going to separate our feet about hip distance apart, maybe a little bit wider based on your comfort. Keep your knees loose, don't lock your knees. We're gonna try and be as loose as possible. Don't let your arms get rigid or tense, and we're gonna twist, okay? When we twist to the left, we breathe in. When we twist to the right, we breathe out. Go as fast as you can, as fluid as you can. Keep going, keep that movement fluid without any tension. Allow that energy to move through you. It's moving up and through your entire body. As well, this exercise is fabulous for massaging those overtaxed, overstressed adrenal glands. Pausing in the center, deep breath in, finding your balance, steadying yourself. And we're going to now reach and pull with our arms. We're going to breathe in as we reach with the left arm. We're going to reach and pull for everything that we want in our lives. Keep your eyes closed and reach, 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 and pull. Pull it all into yourself, into your heart, everything you want for your life. Tightening that core, bringing that belly back, letting the fire in that belly move up into your heart. One more time, and reach your arms straight out in front of you. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and letting it go. Opening up your arms wide. Feel that expansiveness all through your chest. Opening your heart, lifting up. And then as we bring our arms together in front of the body, we're going to lift our left leg first, which is where we'll exhale. So we'll inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Bring it all into your body. Every last bit that you want, bring it in now. Everything you desire for your life, bring it in. Use your belly to help you lift that leg. Three more. Open up your arms. Deep breath in. Fill your heart. And let it go. Hold it here. One more deep breath in. And let it go. Keep your arms where they are. Steady your breath. Holding your arms, I know they're tired. That's your mind. You are stronger than your muscles. Holding your arms. Loosening, relaxing your shoulders. Allowing the energy of your third chakra and your heart to carry you. Feel it moving inside of you. Flexing your fingertips to the sky, palms facing outward. Start moving your wrists. We're going to go backwards, straight up, forwards, straight up, back, up, forward, up. And allow yourself to just breathe with it. As you go back, we're going to start our mantra. Ready? Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 I know your arms are shaking. I know your mind is telling you want to quit. Don't listen. You're stronger than you think. A few more seconds. Keep with the mantra. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Three more. Wa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Last one. Sa, ta, Na, ma. Hold it there, deep breath in. And let it go. Keep your arms up. And shake them out. Shake it out. Shake it all out. Everything that doesn't serve you anymore, let it go now. Start to shake your legs. Shake it all out, your whole body. Let it go. Shake. Maybe start to walk on the spot. Shake it out. Let it go. And if you're ready, and if you're with me for 30 seconds, you can do this. Run on the spot as fast as you can go, and go. You can do this. Don't quit. You can do this. Keep going. Keep moving. Even if you have to go to a walk. Even if you're just shaking your arms. Do something. Don't quit. You can always do something. Keep going, you're almost there. And stopping. Hands at your side. Slow your breath. Feel your heart beating within your chest. Feel that energy moving inside of you. When you feel your breath has calmed, this would be a perfect time to do your Kirtan Kriya meditation, the Satanama, or any meditation of your choice, the self-love meditation I shared with you that you can find in these YouTube videos is a powerful way to end. Sat Nam.